In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an email in Outlook. First, open a web browser and go to Outlook.com. You will see a clean and inviting interface that welcomes you to the Microsoft Outlook service. This step is crucial because it gets you to the right place to start the account creation process. If you have a preferred browser, use that for a smoother experience. Once you arrive at the site, you'll notice options for existing users to sign in. However, since we are creating a new account, look for the area that leads you to account creation. This will set the stage for everything that follows. Next, click Create Free Account. This button is prominently displayed and easy to locate. By clicking this, you signal that you want to start the process of creating a new email account. This is important because it directs you to the next steps where you will set up your new Outlook identity. The wording Create Free Account reassures you that there are no hidden fees, and it simplifies your journey toward establishing your new email. After that, enter the email address you'd like to use and choose an @outlook.com address or another available Microsoft domain if offered. This is your chance to personalize your email address. Choose something that you will remember easily. Whether it's for professional use or personal correspondence, this address will represent you in your communications. Make sure to check its availability as you type. If it's taken, try slight variations until you find one that works. Now, click Next. This button takes you to the next stage of your account creation. It's a simple yet vital action that moves you forward in the process. You should see a loading screen momentarily, which means your information is being processed. This step is essential because it connects the email address you just chose with the next crucial elements of your account setup. Next, create a password, then click Next. Your password should be strong and secure, ideally containing a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. This is important because a strong password protects your account from unauthorized access. As you type, ensure you remember this password or store it securely. Once you create your password and click Next, you'll be one step closer to having your new email account. At this point, enter your first name and last name, then click Next. This information helps personalize your account and is important for identification purposes. Your name will appear in the emails you send, so choose how you want to be represented. After entering your name, clicking Next will take you forward in the process of setting up your account. You should feel a sense of progress as you continue through these steps. From there, select your country or region and date of birth, then click Next. This information helps Microsoft tailor services to you and ensures compliance with age restrictions for certain features. It's a straightforward step that adds to the personalization of your account. Once you've filled this out, hitting Next will keep the momentum going. After that, complete the verification steps such as the CAPTCHA to confirm you're not a robot. This step is crucial for security and helps protect your new account from spam and malicious activity. You'll typically see a challenge where you may need to identify images or type characters. Completing this successfully will ensure your account creation is moving forward smoothly. Once your account is created, you'll be signed in to your new Outlook email and can start sending and receiving messages. This moment is your reward for following the steps. You are now equipped with a fully functional email account. This new email can be used not just for sending messages, but also for accessing other Microsoft services. Congratulations on creating your Outlook email account.